Hey, welcome back. So we have created our basic table in HTML. We have created the headings for our table. Now we want to add some more structure to our table. So how we can do that? We can do that by using the three different HTML elements. One of them is the Thead element. Another one is the Tbody element, and the other one is the Tfoot element. Okay, so let's go through them one by one. So the Thead element or the table head element. So the Thead HTML element encapsulates a set of table rows elements, basically the TR elements, indicating that they comprise the head of the table with information about the table's columns. Okay, this is usually in the form of column headers, like the TH elements basically. So as you can see, we are doing something similar to this, right? But what they have done, they have encapsulated basically the TR element here inside of the T head, indicating that this is the table head. Okay, then we are having the Tbody element. The Tbody HTML element encapsulates a set of table rows, the TR elements, indicating that they comprise the body of the table's main data. Okay, as you can see, they are using the Tbody element here. Okay, all right, and then we are having the Tfoot element or the table foot element. The Tfoot HTML element encapsulates a set of table rows, the TR elements, indicating that they comprise the foot of the table, okay, with information about the table's columns. This is usually a summary of the table columns. Example is sum of given numbers in a column. Okay, all right. So to demonstrate all three of that, what I'll do, first of all, I'll just open up the DevTools here. And here inside of the table, as you can see, I did not add the Tbody, but the browser usually adds that for us. So it is indicating like, hey, this is the body of the table. I did not add that, but the browser is adding that. So in a moment, we will add that together, right? Okay, all right. So now, as you can see, we are not having some sort of a data for the Tfoot basically. So what I'll do, I will create another TR here. Okay, here what I'll do, I'll create another TR. Okay, inside of that, I will create a TD which says like total or the average total marks. Okay, and then for the next two ones, for the mathematics, what I'll do, I'll just leave it as empty. Okay, and then for the science, I'll leave it as empty for right now. And then what I'll do, I will add the TD here and I will add the total average marks. So what I'll do, I'll go here, and as you can see here, we are having some of the numbers here. So what I'll do, I'll open up the calculator. Okay, all right. So this is my calculator. Okay, and here what I'll do, I'll just add 17 plus 19 plus 18, okay, and divided by 3, okay, and that stands with 18. Okay, that is equal to 18. All right, so I'll just put 18 here. All right, so if I just go here, as you can see, we are having two blank cells, basically the table cells, and we are having the average total marks. So in the upcoming videos, what we will do, we will get rid of these two table cells and we will span this average total marks to the whole three basically columns. Okay, but right now we do not know how to do that. So I will just keep it as it is. Okay, so now let's give our table some structure. Okay, so this is our header, basically the table header. So I will do something like T head. Okay, and inside of the T head, what I'll do, I'll just do something like this. And in case if you are wondering what I just did, I just selected all of the text and I've just pressed the Alt and the upwards arrow, and in that way my tr element, basically the whole tr with the ths moved one line above, okay, inside of VS Code. All right. So if I just do that, as you can see here inside of the browser, visually nothing changes. But if I just open up the DevTools, and now if I just open up the table, now we are having the Thead element, and inside of that we are having the tr, and inside of that we are having the th elements. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the table head. Okay. Now by default it is including all of the other TRs inside of the Tbody, but we don't want that, right? Because we are having some footer as well. So this is our footer. So what I'll do, I'll just go inside of my code editor, and here I will open up the Tbody element. Okay, all right. And here I will just cut this one, and after this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is our footer basically. So after that I can just add it here. Okay, awesome. So if I just do that, as you can see, we are having the Tbody, which includes these 3 TRs. But now, as you can see, browser is detecting like, hey, there is another Tbody, and inside of that we are having the tr of this particular average. So let's fix that. Okay. So after this Tbody, I will create the Tfoot. Okay. And here, what I'll do, I'll just press the Alt and the upwards arrow. As you can see, my content goes up, right? And now, as you can see, we are having the Thead, Tbody, and the Tfoot. Okay, awesome. And now you might be thinking like, hey, what are the benefits of that? Okay, so benefits of doing the Thead, Tbody, and the Tfoot elements. So first of all, it is very, very good for accessibility purposes. So the person who is going through our web page with a screen reader, that will help that person a lot, like usage of the Thead, Tbody, and the Tfoot elements. Okay. And also whenever we want to style our headings, like the table headers, table body, and the table foot, we can use the Thead, Tbody, and the Tfoot elements to do so. So I will just write something. You don't have to follow along, but if you want, you can do that. So I can just go here inside of the Thead and just add a style attribute. Okay, equals to, and inside of that I can write some CSS. So I can just do background color. Okay, and do something like blue violet. Okay, and after the semicolon I can add a color. Okay, and just do white. As you can see, if I just do that, so our background for the Thead is now blue violet, and our color for the text is now white. Okay, so in that way, as you can see, it is very, very easy to style our Thead, Tbody, and Tfoot very easily. Okay, all right. So I will just get rid of this one right now. I do not want to have the styles, but this is very, very good for structuring our table. So here we have the Thead, Tbody, and the Tfoot elements to structure our HTML tables.